What's up, J.O. Mafia?
It's your girl, Jazz.
And this your boy, Otis, you guys. And today we are doing a seafood boil. So y'all already know what we got up in here. We got catfish, and then we got the sauce that we made, and then we got corn. Can't do dripping. Y'all already know.
And eggs.
So before we get into this video, Jazz, what they gotta do?
Like this video.
Share this video.
Comment down below.
Hit that notification bell.
Bing.
And subscribe.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Exactly, you guys. So, look, you guys. Now, before we get into the video, we're going to do this thumbnail. Hold on. Let's do it again. All right. So, here you go. We don't got no Jorgito, you guys. So, we going to come through dripping with the crushed orange soda. Y'all feel me?
Yes, y'all. I am so
let's do this.
Agree.
Let's do this. Let's pour it out for the guys. One time. Can't do dripping. Come on, y'all. Y'all already know. Look at that.
Oh, just don't overflow.
No,
One
bro.
day he gonna overflow.
No, look. I'm pouring out for the guys. I'm pouring out for the ladies now. Come on. Here you go. Here you go.
All right.
No, bro. You better eat. I mean, you better drink. Hold on. I need to drip some more. And y'all already know. I'm about to show y'all this food up close again. Look. I'm about to show y'all this food once again. Can't do dripping. Drip, drip. Can't do dripping. Drip, drip.
Hold on. I'm trying to. Hold on. I gotta pick up something.
Y'all already know. Y'all already know how we
had
came.
the first bite tonight.
Yeah.
How many napkins?
Bro, look. You can't be talking to me after I'm done. After I'm about to eat.
God, I'm so hungry.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh my God. So the thing is, y'all, doing videos, making videos, especially the way we're doing it right now, giving y'all 2 videos a day, it can get a little expensive. So think about trying to do king crab legs, blue crab, all that.
That sounds good.
It does sound good. We're going to do one.
Would y'all like to see that?
We're going to do a seafood mukbang.
Give us a thumbs up if you want to see that. Thumbs up emoji.
Yeah, thumbs up emoji.
And then thumbs the video up.
A lot of people like it. Oh, and Jazz got eggs in hers. I don't really dig eggs like that.
Yeah, I said that in the beginning, baby. I had eggs.
Oh, did you? Yeah, man. Look at this sauce, y'all. Man. Look. Yeah, so we gonna get some snow crab.
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
And we gonna do a video. Do all that. Some people suggested us to do enchiladas or a Mexican mukbang.
We gonna do that too.
Yeah, we'll go to a local establishment and just buy some food. So
Tastes so good, make me want to smack the Otis.
you better not. You better not. Look, bro, stop playing with me, bro. You better not put your hands on me. No, but look, why is your hands on me, bro? Jazz. Come on, man. That's what my grandma used to do. She used to pinch my cheeks. Oh, my God. Yeah, doing these videos like we doing, it can get a little, expensive. But it ain't about that. It's about investing in yourself. But when you doing seafood boils, mukbangs, whatever y'all want to do or call it, honestly, unless you balling, I'm gonna say balling, but
Go ahead.
unless you know, maybe, you know, you got your finances really set and stuff like that, which, you know, we do. But the thing is, everybody know that seafood boils and things like that can be pretty expensive. So I brought my little thing to the seafood world, and I'm like, man, I don't ever see people mess with the catfish. Come on now, I know plenty people been raised on catfish, and the thing is, like, catfish is something that I love. You know, and I'm like, you know, you get a thing of catfish for a good price, and you know, people like seafood. Catfish is in water, so it's part of the sea. You know what I mean? So look,
No, duh. Y'all want some? No.
Mm. Mm. Oh my God.
It's good.
But you don't only got to be balling to do seafood. I mean, if you budget things and stuff like that, you can definitely do it. And some people live closer to where they can get seafood a lot cheaper. Like us, for like 4 things of king crab legs, you spending probably like 23, 24 bucks.
Yeah.
So think about that. Like, if you're dropping videos after videos after videos and things like that, just add that up. It can add up really quick. For us, I'm not talking about other people. For us, what I'm saying is it's more expensive for, like, I don't even think, like, we have a market where they sell full blue crab and stuff like that. I don't think they sell that here.
I think Woodman's.
Woodman's don't even.
Yes,
They don't sell blue crab. Woodman's
don't.
don't sell blue crab. Mm-mm.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm. We got to get a lot of that stuff imported here, so it's more expensive. You know, and with that being said, so they gonna tax on it. You know, so
Tax it up.
mm-hmm.
Tax it up.
Do you like? I was reading something. Crab and lobster used to be considered. It's crazy because how you look at crab and lobster now, but lobster and crab and stuff like that used to be considered poor people food.
Mm.
Yep.
I wonder why.
I don't know. I was looking at that. What was I looking at? Oh, it was on YouTube actually. I didn't read it. It was on YouTube. And they were saying something like, you know, it used to be like,
Wait, what's this? What year was this? 'Cause since I've been on this earth, seafood is good.
yeah, seafood always been expensive. I mean, like crab and stuff like that. Yeah, expensive. But look, y'all, honestly, one thing about seafood, it does taste good. And it's good for y'all.
Hey, love. And I'm gonna have to put it back in after this. So it's good to take baths, make it smell clean.
My God. Oh my God. My God.
Wow. That's good.
This is really good, y'all. So what this is like, it's like a sauce, you know, with butter and stuff like that. But it's kind of like, it's our version, not mine. It's our version of a sauce. Just a little bit of everything in it. It's good, y'all.
You should have got some more napkins over here.
You the one that grabbed the napkins.
Okay, grab me some napkins.
Okay.
Man, y'all, look.
Here you go.
Aaliyah grabbed the napkins, y'all.
Oh,
Man.
sorry, y'all. I got that all in y'all face.
How do you get that in your hand?
Man,
Then
tell y'all, this is really good.
And don't worry, y'all. We not eating out in our daughter's face.
No, we not
She
eating.
ate.
Yeah, she ate.
She didn't want to do this mukbang with us. Y'all, Otis he be having all that elbow room, but he'll be over here and I'll be just like this.
Look, bro. Don't talk to me. You know what I mean? Don't be talking to me, bro. Look.
Oh, y'all drizzling. Aaliyah, move over.
That's just what it is, y'all. Seafood is good. But don't break yourself trying to do it.
Oh, just pour me up.
Here. I'm about to get her some, y'all. Y'all see it? That's what she gonna get right there. Whoa. Ooh, excuse me. If y'all don't like burping, smacking, none of that, it's probably not the video for you. Just being honest. So,
Hey, and he tried to drink my
y'all
stuff.
already see. Man, that's our stuff. Ours.
Mine.
Ours.
Mine. M-Y.
Ours, you guys. So, y'all, we just went really with the flow. Just talking to y'all, just chopping it up.
Yeah, y'all. We was hungry.
And honestly, you know, we was hungry, y'all, so we threw down. Come on, man, don't be doing all that. But look, y'all, we about to end this video, you guys.
Yeah, thank y'all for tuning in, staying tuned, watching the video, showing us love.
Exactly.
Continue to spread your love in the comment section.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So look, you guys. So honestly, what I need you guys to do before you end this video, we need you guys to like this video, share this video, comment down below, hit that notification bell, bing, and subscribe,
And
you guys.
don't forget to subscribe.
Exactly. And with that being
So
said,
how do you want to end this?
we end it with love, peace, and soul train.